Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Cosmic Fate KM02 and Maniology Prana. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Color Club Cosmic Fate. These hollows are still some of my favorites. So here we go with our first coat of Cosmic Fate. Now the only thing I don't like about these is that wonky little brush, but these are really old polishes, so I'm gonna forgive that, you know what I'm saying. The polish itself is beautiful and goes on great even with that skinny little brush. I love it. The hollow in these is just stunning. I'm still such a fan, super fan here. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. We've got our first coat down. Here we go with our second coat. Ugh. And to be honest, this video is not doing this justice. This is crazy. And hollows do flash more hollow once they're dry. So we are going to top these with I&M out the door. Going to get them to dry down because we're going to do some stamping today. Oh, so pretty, pretty. Kept that free edge, girl. There we go. And here is a swatch photo. Look at that. Oh, we got KM02 and Maniology Prana. I don't know. It's a beautiful blue stamping polish, so we're going to go with it. And I'm using a monocle stamper and a Maniology scraper card today. I'm just going to move all around this plate and just pick different images. You guys know a lot of times when I don't really like have my heart set on something, that's how I do it. I just let the plate and the polishes speak to me. Yay, yay. I've got a little bling on my hands. I ordered me a bunch of those little rings, Midi rings and whatnot from, I believe it was Temu. Pretty sure it was Temu. It was like a package of a bunch of them, like 36 rings or something. And there we go. Out of frame again. Girl just can't get it right. And here we go. We're going to keep bumping along. And just so you know, I've only got this video and one other one that was recorded in my previous setup. I have bought a new desk and moved my room around. I'm trying to get out from under the ceiling fan showing up in all of my stamping plates. So, you can see that light. See over there by my finger? See the three little lights? Yeah, I had to do something about that. So, yeah, we're fixing to hit a new level of trying to figure out the lighting now that I've moved. Because, you know, once I move things and touch everything, it gets all jacked up. So, we're going to clean up here. I'm cleaning my scraper card with some acetone and my little mat. And then my stamping plate, I'm going to get it clean and wipe down with the lint-free wipe. And get this all cleaned up so we can put it away. But yeah, I thought I'd give y'all a heads up that, you know, you're going to have to work with me the next few videos because every time I move my camera and my setup, it's like learning it all over again, figuring out what works, what don't work. So we might have some sketchy videos coming up here before too long. But I know y'all understand. So we got our cleanup done with the tape, and now we're going to go around with the acetone and the cleanup brush and get that cleaned up too. Very pretty. I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat by Maniology. I do have a discount code listed down in the description box if you're interested. And once that's dry, I'm going to top it with some Poshe top coat. But I've been struggling with lighting issues forever, so fingers crossed this new stuff works. Kept that free edge. There is my manicure. Loved it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.